and today I'm going to describe about the billing part for Amazon and how to check your current uses in free account. And if you cross the limit the which is provided by the Amazon, then how to make payment for this. Sometime it happens that you can avail the applicable charges which on in your account. You can also ask them to revoke those charges sometime by dropping email to them that you are just making R&D and for uh, reading point of view. And so Amazon will allow to remove those charges. So I'm logged in my account. So here I will show you how to make payment if you cross the limit. So let me open the billing services. So here you can see the whole detail about related to the billing. These are the options where you can get the different kind of the details about this. Here you can see the important information about these costs, like what services you are using, and this is the free tier usage limit. It is showing that on detail about that, and here you can see the month data uses. So here you also here you are seeing the Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. Like I am using EC2. So it is the overall status, and this is showing the overall month uses. It is means predicted like 72% I will by end of the month I will complete this use. Here you can see the number of hours which I have utilized. The Amazon provides 750 hours for free tier account. So I will show you what I'm using in for the showing data. Here you can see I'm having one EC2 instance which is stop. So you can also see the number of hours here which you have utilized. So let's go to that part, billing dashboard. And here you can see the bills. In under the drop down you can select the month on which you want to check the bill. So I will show you the recently I make payment for March month. It was not big payment. So here you can see the details about this. You can also download the invoice here. Payment summary you can see here, payment received, and this is the invoice and what I have utilized. So here you will see the detail about that. It is related to the US East North Virginia, and here you can see the all detail about the uses. This is for Linux T2 small instance, and general purpose SSD means storage. This is for March. I will show you the last month like September. Here you can see it is showing $1. So the payment it is pending, I think so. Yes, it is not paid now. So I will make payment for this use. So let's see how to make payment. Here you can download the invoice. Okay, and here you can see the different preferences for billing, like receive billing alert and other details also. Here you can set the payment method. um, you can choose the payment method here, and let's payment bill. Let me change the month. So I will get the detail, then after I can make payment. So here you can see my last payment due. You have one unpaid charges. The I will become overdue is not settled before the corresponding. So you will have to make payment within a cycle time, whatever it is. So otherwise it will overcharge to you. So this is for month September. So let's pay it. Verify and pay. I have already paid my added my credit card here. So let's complete payment. So it is asking for OTP. So I am typing OTP here. So you can see thank you for providing payment information. We are currently processing your payment, and you will get the confirmation here. You can see the invoice. I think this is old one for last month. No, it is not that. So like this, you will also get the invoice for the payment which you just made before some time. So this is the process how we can make payment for AWS user services. And if you have any questions, please comment below the video.